If you develop the website and there's a bunch of AI tools, the problem is that it's hard to use your design system and get all the process you need because AI doesn't know your company, your website. You can put there as much info as you want to, but it will be still really problematic. And you want to control the process. I'm engineer, so I have the different perspective than designers and people from UX, UI, and everything. And my focus is to get the best results. And I found a great application. It's called Rhelium.io, and I'm going to show it to you, because here you can generate a full website starting with sitemap, and you will go through the process. The great thing about this is that you can iterate on the application, and start building, update. So you can first start with the sitemap. And there you can iterate with anybody who can be involved. You can get a feedback on the website. And let's say we are going to make a presentation website about design systems tooling. And we can pick the amount of sites and language, which is. Oh, I'm so used to. Yeah. So here you can pick the amount of sites and the language. And you can also combine it, which I really like, because the strong part of AI is that I can write anything in English and then generate content in Czech. And what really happens is that the Rhelium started as a library of different components, and you could build a website manually from it. And they have like thousands of different components. So they generate the structure, they generate the blocks for you. And I'm going to zoom it for you. So it's some basic structure that they picked. There's like shared navbar, there is hero section, and other parts. And you can continue with other things. It already generated, like there will be portfolio, there will be some about us, and it already can give me some insights what should be on this type of a website. For example, we found out that I have a company where we teach juniors and help them start in IT. So it recommended us to have a web page about cooperation with partners. And I wouldn't have thought about it, but Rhelium told me to do so. And now I can continue with generating others. Let's say I had a discussion about one site, and we'll continue with everything else. And after the discussion is over and we have the blocks done, we can change the description, we can change the name of the section, and we can also alter each page separately. So I can ask AI about some edits to this site based on the feedback and iterate really quickly. But that's not the best part. The best part is that after I have this settled, I can go to wireframe, and they will use the predefined blocks, and it will add some copy. It will add different variants, and if I don't like it, I just replace the component, and they have like different variants. What they recently did is that initially you are able to just create a website, create sitemap, and then some wireframes, and then you could export it into Figma or directly to the Webflow. So the process was like really quick. And sometimes you need more control, but you are good enough with just wireframe and then just using your prepared components. So they have their own React library for developers, and it already provides the primitives as well as complex components. So there is like hero section, there is FAQ and more, and you have components for a review, and they are growing with it. So the ultimate goal of their tooling is like to make the process faster and also involve necessary people. From my perspective, it's really great. I would like to hear opinions from professionals because I think that opinions vary a lot, and for me, it's good enough. I'm in a small company, and we are just starting to maybe iterate fast. But on the other hand, I want to have strong foundations, and this is good start for me. And yeah, let's discuss. That was really quick talk, and we can go through the tool and ask questions.
Yeah, perfect. So does this tool also maybe suggest color palettes, different types of variances in UI, such as what the typography should look like? Or is it only just giving you these wireframes, not only, but is it giving you wireframes for how to set up these pages and how to set up essentially your business or your website?
Yeah. So the tool is right now focused only on the sitemap and wireframe. And as you export to Figma, you can do all the stuff you need. So you can use the tools for generating palettes and typography. And on my side, I'm a huge fan of different plugins. So I always send my designer yeah, here is this plugin from the people. Just check it out if it's helpful for you. And I'm enthusiast on the technical part. I just wanted so that it's heard on camera. All right, so yeah, we created the website. I may show it for our new design of the page. And right now we are in the iteration process. So it generated multiple pages, and there's one limitation. We have you need to have top level page. And if we don't want to nest it, we just set it's blank. And now we are in the process of iteration and discussion. And then it's $40 per month for a user. But as we are a small company, we just share one account. I don't really care, and I met it even in huge companies. And with their release of the UI library, it can go fast even on the developer side, so it will be really cheap. They will just change the colors to reflect the color palette, and I imagine that it will be within a month of the process with full control in the Figma and in the code, which I don't like in other tools where they generate full website. Hope it answers your question.
So you started this talk with saying that generated websites suck, and yeah, I mostly agree. But my question is, how do you go from here to the website itself? Since I understand that this doesn't really generate the website itself, right? Just the wireframes. So how do you then go to the website itself?
Yeah. So there's a button export. And I can just click to export to a flow, and it's done. I personally don't use Webflow because I'm developer focused on the logical part. So my flow would be either go to Webflow and then export it as HTML and CSS, or just use their prepared React components. And we are building the design system on top of their components, so it will be inspired by them. We don't have corporate pressure to have some identity. We are building the identity, so it's also faster in this way. All right. So thank you.